everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. Today I'm going to share with you 12 wigs that I actually wear, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is not going to be a full review of any of these wigs. I believe I've done full reviews on all of them, so if you're interested in any, you can go check out my full reviews. I'm just going to show them to you, spin, and then tell you what I like about them and move on to the next. Okay, so we're going to start with Lisa by Envy. This is an Envy hair piece, which is a blend of 30% human hair, 70% heat-friendly fibers, so you can use heat on it. She has a full lace front, mono top, and a silicone band that comes to the ear tabs to give some extra adhesion to any skin. I love this style. I love the little flip. I love that it can be casual or dressed up. It's kind of girl next door look. She's in the color Golden Nutmeg, and I'm going to spin and show her to you. I love this piece and I wear it all the time. All right, we're going to move on to the next. And by the way, there is no particular order here. I just grabbed the wigs I wear and stuck them on mannequins. All right, now on to the next. Okay, this next one is Belle Tress's Madison in the color Caramel Blonde Rooted. And Darlene, if you're watching, I know you wanted a comparison of Caramel Blonde Rooted with Macadamia Latte Rooted. Here you go. I'm going to just kind of spin for you, so you can see the difference in color. This is Macadamia Latte Rooted. This is Caramel Blonde Rooted. You probably have seen me in this wig a lot lately. She is just great. Throw on and go. Love her. She has a lace front and a mono part. I'm gonna spin for you. Just such a cute, very wearable style, a little bit of wave, perfect length for so many faces. Next is Belle Tress's Alicante in Macadamia Latte Rooted. And you can see she could be a sister wig to Madison. She has a little bit more defined wave at the end here, but really quite similar and just as easy to wear. She has a lace front and a left side mono part, and all Belle Tress wigs are heat friendly. I didn't mention that, but Madison is also heat friendly. So let me spin for you and show you the style. What I love about both of these heat friendly styles is the length. It doesn't rub on my clothes, so that helps to keep it in better condition. Okay, next is Chic by TressAllure in their new heat-friendly fiber. This is in the color EL 12228, and what I love about this color is that you have this lighter highlight in the front around the face. What I love about this style is it's a sleek bob, and it's just really beautiful, has great movement. I get so many compliments on this. All right, I'm going to spin for you. That's Chic. Next is one of the newer wigs by Wille. This is Like Mono in Tobacco Lighted, again with the lighter highlights around the face. It's a look I like. I think it just adds to your face and gives you some brightness. It's a cute little short bob. She has a lace front, a left mono part, and some nice little curl here around the face. I'll spin and show you the style. Adorable. You can dress her up or wear her out casually. Next is the iconic Jon Renau Ignite in Shaded Mocha. I've had this wig for a while, and this one has gotten so much wear. I have a surprise about Ignite. Stay tuned for Monday's video. That's all I'm gonna say for now. She has a lace front, no monopart or top, but her lace front extends further back, and so you get the appearance of part right at the front there. I think that's really a nice added touch. She's so comfortable, so easy to wear. I wear her when I watch my grandsons. It's great. All right, let me spin for you. I love this stacked back here. And when I was first looking at wigs, this was the wig that caught my eye. I really wanted this wig. I finally got it, and I've worn her so much. Okay, this next one could definitely be a sister wig for Jon Renau Ignite. This is Ellen Villa's Aletta in Ivory Blonde Shaded. Very similar in style. The back is not as stacked as on Ignite, but I just love this style, the longer front here. Easy, throw on and go. Can put her behind my ear. She has a lace front, a left mono part, and she is heat friendly. All right, I'm gonna spin for you. All right, when I want to wear long hair or an updo, I pull out this little lady. This is Locklan by Estetica in RH1488 RT8. When I went to put her on right now, I smelled patchouli. And that's because the other night I wore her to a party where we dressed up like we were in the 70s. I went all out, even with fragrance. Patchouli reminds me of the 70s. I don't know if it does you. And if you're in my Facebook group, you actually saw a picture of me from that party, which I'm going to post here so you can see it. She was the perfect wig for my outfit. She has a lace front and a full mono top. Estetica wigs are so comfortable, lots of stretch. I'm going to spin and show you the style. Hopefully you can see all the length here. So pretty. I forgot to mention that Locklan is not heat friendly, and neither is this lady. This is Romance by Main Attraction in the color Nutmeg. I absolutely love this color. I think it's so pretty. There's a nice little layer here and just a really elegant, simple style. Easy, throw on and go. She's not heat friendly, so I don't worry as much about her tangling. She's really held up well over the time I've had her, and I've worn her a lot. All right, oh, and she has a lace front and a full mono top. Now I'll spin. Next is Findley by Amore, and you can probably tell why I chose this one after the last one. They could be sister wigs, Romance and Findley. This is in the color Melted Cinnamon, and to me this is a really unique color because while it has reds in it, it has a cooler blonde rather than a warmer one, so it makes it more of a neutral color than a really warm color. As far as the style goes, it's beautiful, very similar, I think, to Romance that I just showed you. And before I spin, she has a lace front, a full mono top, and she's a blend of heat-friendly synthetic and regular synthetic fibers. So while you can't use your regular heat tools, although there is the MV3-in-1 air styler out there that you can use on regular synthetic now, the reason that they put the heat-friendly fibers in this is to take the shine down that you have a lot of times with that just fully regular synthetic wig, and it makes it look more natural. All right, I'm going to give it a spin. Another great simple style. Okay, this lady is fairly new to my collection. This is NYX by Rene of Paris in the color Tray Chocolate Rooted. She has a lace front, a left mono part, and I just love these waves and the volume. She is heat friendly and she feels very light. Even though it looks like it's a lot of hair, she is extremely light. All right, I'm going to spin for you. I just love this style, so feminine. Look at those waves, so pretty. And the final wig, Arlo by Estetica in the color R1226 RT4. Could be a sister wig for NYX. Not quite as voluminous looking and also not heat friendly. So if you don't like a heat friendly wig but you still want that wavy look, this could be an option for you. She has a lace front and a mono part, and I'm going to spin. Such a pretty style. I love these waves and I love this color. All right, so there you have it. 12 wigs that I actually wear. These are right out of my closet, some of them right out of my bathroom because I have them on rotation right now. If you have any questions at all, please put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you're not part of our private Facebook group, Frannie's Hair, please come join us. It's so much fun. You get your questions answered, you get some tips and tricks, and we have wig experts over there to help you with any questions you have, and it's a lot of fun, so I hope to see you over there. All right, as always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.